Stick and stay with us, Facebook family, and he's going to give us a tour of the city of Selma, the hardest part of the city that was hit by the tornado, right?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, man.
We got several areas. Now, there's another church, First Baptist Church, where a lot of meetings and things going on right here as well. Okay. They had to meet here a few times, 26 or something back here at First Baptist Church.
Okay. First Baptist Church.
Right,
okay.
Right. Now, the storm, really, I'm just like the middle part of it right here, but you can see it took the roof off that building right there.
Right there? Okay.
Right. Now, I'm talking about the train could even tracks at one time. But this whole neighborhood over here pretty much just wiped out.
So your ward seemed like...
My ward was safe. My ward was blessing, but this is a friend of mine, which is Councilman Jan.12th. This is ward.
Okay, what ward is this?
This ward 6.
This is ward 6.
Right.
Okay.
His ward is devastated, which is on loss. So I'm gonna try to see if we can hit pretty much as much as I can. And some of the houses have been cleared.
Oh man.
Yes.
Oh man.
Mine, 1.5 and you see all the new poles been put up, the power company.
So debris was everywhere.
Everywhere. You couldn't, man.
You couldn't even.
Right. I'm looking out the toilet.
That whole block right here was houses. Oh wow, at least 3 or 4, right? The whole block. Oh my God. Lord have mercy.
It was Green Street.
Was there any fatality?
No, we didn't lose anyone.
Lord have that's a blessing.
Yes.
Look at that.
And it's the church, Green Street Baptist Church here.
Oh wow, that was such a shit. I see the marker.
And it was a beautiful house here, man. And the guy doesn't.
With the gate, the brick gate, right here.
I totally that one out.
Oh man.
So what he's trying to do now is salvage the bricks so he can try to rebuild. I'm pretty sure that's what they. This one of my competition coming up into right here called George. It's being the barbershop. Okay.